we're vlogging. It's been a busy couple weeks, guys. It's only been a week. We're not that bad. I kind of figured.
I feel like I'm pale as fuck because of my hair.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish her hair tonight.
I won't be this pale.
It's kind of cool the way it like faded out though. I just want to play with her hair.
It's fine.
So we've kind of.
What kind of license plate is that?
226. I don't know. But glasses.
Yes,
I looked and was like, I think I've already shown them, but I have glasses.
I think you showed them over the spring break. That video you did.
Probably, but the first week back after break is always a pain in the ass. Plus, I have costochondritis, which means the cartilage in between my ribs is swollen and inflamed and possibly infected.
Holy crap, I need to charge this.
We haven't charged that in like a week, but I'm on the mend. Sarah's hair is on the mend. We bleached it yesterday and we were trying to give it some time so that it wouldn't like fry completely.
Fall out.
Oh yeah, that too. But so the other day I wanted to make omelets for everybody, which turned into...
They were so good though.
They were like, I didn't have the right pan to make omelets, so we just kind of went with it. So they were like personalized, hella delicious scrambled eggs with stuff in them. I don't know. But anyway, we did that.
My car is dead.
Her car possibly has a cracked head. But we went to Walmart and the fucking tomatoes were moldy. Now, if you know either of us at all were foodies, that was like the biggest turn off to me ever.
Food.
So
like, I'm so done with Walmart. Like for my personal food.
I just had to go to Walmart to pick up Boo's prescription and some allergy medicine for him. But other than that, when it comes to food, we're Kroger.
Food and like paper towels and plates and stuff, and like
other than
medical
dire
stuff.
Medical necessities.
Like they have like over the counter stuff there, I think.
Yeah, but he wanted me to check the price there, like where we're comfortable.
Yeah.
But like, unless I have to pick up a prescription for him, because I use Walgreens, like I'm done with Walmart, and I hope someone from Walmart sees this.
I'm so done with Walmart. Like, if we want furniture or like cups or plates or clothes or anything, we go to Target.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Target and Kroger.
I can't Walmart anymore. Which I have our friend Josh's parents have been talking to me about how Walmart is the corporate enemy for ages, but it was convenient. But you know, Kroger is a little more expensive. But in the the way that we shop,
you get what you pay for.
Yeah, and when like the other day when we were doing omelets, I decided to get a big ass yellow pepper. It was $1.50 instead of paying like 70 whatever cents for a green pepper. But that thing fed all three of us.
It was so juicy and good, and it's like March. It's March. Where are you gonna get that at Walmart? Nowhere. Unless it's like those nice Walmarts, like out in the big cities that are like, well, we don't have that here though.
And
turn left at the
That's
lake.
what I was saying. I'll get back on the highway.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah, I'm really bad at this.
I'm really bad at directions, like with roads. Like I learned how to go by landmarks.
Well, there's not many landmarks right here.
I know.
Well, I could have said by the patrol station, but yeah, I'm really excited because we're going to go a little out of our way.
It's like 5 minutes in the road, maybe 10 if traffic's bad.
Yeah, but there's like 4. Well, hold on. I think there's still 4 Krogers in Jackson. I know there's at least 3.
I know there's 3.
Because I know the one in Bemis shut down. My dad used to do resets for Kroger, and I can tell you horror stories about that one, but I won't.
That was just the building was bad.
Yeah, it wasn't them. That was just like the building was super outdated and gross. But anyway, it's a Goodwill now, and it's actually they like Goodwill had the money too.
Yeah.
But I want to say there's only like 3 in Jackson now.
I don't think there's 4.
I think they decided to, instead of trying to like
make another one, they
there's
redid
not as
that.
much
They redid
economic
that.
need for a Kroger in South Jackson, except for me and you.
And all the other people that use it.
But like,
it's nice.
they redid this Kroger up north, and I haven't gotten to see it
I
yet.
haven't either.
And it's supposed to be like bigger and really nice.
Like they remodeled the whole thing
I'm
for
really
like
excited.
months.
I'm really excited. Wait, what road is it on?
It's on this road, just take it on the left.
Okay.
Like you probably have to turn onto another road to get to it, but it's on the left.
Okay. Because I know there's the one on North Parkway, and I know there was one on University Parkway, and there was one on Stonebrook. So it's either University Parkway or Stonebrook.
I thought University Parkway is one by Target.
Okay, so it's Stonebrook.
I don't know. I don't know, guys.
If University Parkway is next to Target, then
I don't exactly know.
I think.
I'm not good at street names unless it's like where I live.
We just had this conversation.
Like, I'm not good at this.
Well, I'm just saying, like, when Dad was doing the resets, that was the 4, was Bemis, Stonebrook, University Parkway, and North Parkway.
Yeah.
And then he did one in, like, Mississippi. It was really nice. I think it was the one in Corinth. That one was really nice.
I haven't been to Corinth in so long.
I've only been there once, and that was while watching Dad reset a Kroger. But we made a family day out of it, and it was fun.
Family day.
You put me anywhere that has, like, semi-ritzy vegetables, and I'm on it. Like, I like my veg. Which makes
It's like
sense.
past the north side.
Because I'm vegetarian. I like how my list legit just said, like, eggs, cheese, veg. It's like, I don't know what I'm doing. Fully. Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
it's on the left.
I'm gonna turn up here.
Yeah, you can turn. Corvette, get in your lane.
I think Stonebrook is what you're thinking of by Target, because this
Oh.
is University Parkway.
I just thought since it was by Union, it would be University Parkway, you know?
Yeah, that's it.
Well, I guess not.
I don't even know. Is this the one with the...
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay, this is
This
like...
is the one they rebuilt.
Is this all Kroger except for that little bit right there that's like
Except
cutting
for
edge?
the... Yeah, I think so.
Holy shit.
So except for that little part over
Except
there.
for bath fitter, cutting edge, and then like there's 2 thingies past the pharmacy.
This whole thing.
Holy shit.
Guys, we're gonna go jizz a little.
Yeah. We will get back to you on our overall feelings and panty wetness.
Well, I'm wearing a pad, so I'm good.
Sorry. Am I in the fire lane? What am I doing?
No, remember there's a stop sign.
Oh, they're probably letting all them out. I'm so hungry.
I'm starving. All I had was Pop-Tarts.
I had some peanut butter cookies. I had 2 peanut butter cookies. So are you moving? Is that a thing?
Say bye, Stevie.